Okay guys, we're showing you spring scales that we have in our possession that 6th graders have broken. In this spring scale, which we call Go to Town Brown, it's actually got a little crack on the screen right here. It's still workable, you can still do it. If there's an S hook, that's what you're gonna connect something to. This is the loopy part, that's what we hold on to, so you can pull it with some object on it. You'll notice that we had to change the top of it to a different kind of mechanism, and it just spins because it doesn't work at all. So this one, I can't tighten and adjust the 0 line. If you look and see that little brown line right there, I can't make it go up or down. I'm just lifting this up and down, which isn't going to help. I'm supposed to be tightening the screw, and this isn't working correctly. So on this one, same story. You'll notice the screw is absolutely missing, and now it's shoved at the bottom, and it doesn't work at all because the screw is missing and it doesn't work. And this one, yeah, I think you can tell what happened with this one. Someone pulled the springy part and stretched the coil, and the spring is absolutely broken. So I've got a big box of broken spring scales, and they're broken by 6th graders because 6th graders are not following the rules on how to use a spring scale. So you just watched a video and you should know how to use them. We always start with baby blue. Baby blue only goes to 2.5 newtons. So one side has newtons, that's the side we use. Do not use the grams because we're only working with force, so we're looking at newtons. This is bizarre because we're starting in the middle at your 0. So first thing you have to do is we have to make sure that that line is right on the 0, and we will use this nut to tighten to make it go up or down. You'll either loosen it or tighten it to make that be right at 0. The hook here is to help you hold onto something to make it work. We're going to be using our shoe today. So by using our shoe, will we use a baby blue with only 2.5 newtons, or do you think we will use the Go to Town Brown that holds up to 10 newtons? Go to Town Brown. Aiden got that answer. Good job. So I said Aiden. It's actually a line. I'll get it right. So sorry, a line. So Go to Town Brown is what you would use for your shoe. This is for little things. So what do you have in your possession that's a little thing that we can find the force of? I heard a pencil. Can you put a pencil on the hook? No. So what do you have that you can put on a hook? Tissue. I heard a ring. Okay, a tissue. Those are a little too light. Scissors would be good. I kind of like that idea. So you can put a pair of scissors because you have a loop on the scissors, so you can actually find the force. And we're going to be dragging this using the loopy part, and we're going to drag it to find the force of that object, or what is for going up the inclined plane, which is your book and your ruler, which are set up this way, where you have, as we move around, it's going to be like this one, where you have this set of books on the edge of the table, and they are close to the edge, and then you've got your ruler next to it. So we're looking for this kind of a setup. So when you see this setup, it's going to be right on the edge of the table. Oh, good, Camille. You're in the picture. Way to go, Camille. So you're going to be dragging your spring scale up the ramp. Someone might need to hold the ruler, so that, because of course, they're movable, but just make it work for you when we do this lab. Thanks, guys.